everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so very much for watching. If you're new here and you enjoy the content, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you fancy. It's free. Just press that red button down there. But anyway, this is gonna be just a short little video. I'm not gonna talk about anything special. I'm on my ST200 afternoon delivery work. As you can see, the backpack is right behind me. I think you saw that. What I want to talk about is, if I'm not mistaken, I already have I think 40 videos on the channel. This is I think my 41st video number 41. And ever since I started, ever since I got the idea that maybe I should vlog some of my two-wheeled adventures, I knew that a GoPro just wasn't enough. Just a simple GoPro on the side of the helmet wasn't enough. I do consume a lot of YouTube, and I watch a lot of moto vloggers. I watch a lot of people making videos, and I know audio is one of the most important things, if not more important than the video quality itself, the image quality. If you don't have good audio on your video, not all people will watch them. You're basically handicapping yourself with crappy audio. But I knew that from the beginning. Oh, come on. I know a lot of you have commented, I should get a mic, I should get better audio, I should fix the audio. I know. I have known from the very beginning that I should have fixed the audio. Unfortunately, while a camera, you can watch some videos online and see how the image looks. With a microphone is problematic, because microphones are more sensitive. If somebody has a certain mic in a certain helmet and it sounds great for them, that doesn't mean it will sound great for me. Maybe my helmet is different than theirs. Maybe it has I can't mount it in the same position they have mounted it. And the best way to try to combat this uncertainty is either buy stuff and then just return it if it doesn't work, and just keep buying and returning until you find something that actually does work. Or you buy something pretty expensive and professional. And that's why I got myself a professional Rode lapel mic, which I have now mounted inside my helmet. It's supposed to be not studio grade, but broadcasting grade. So it's good enough for television broadcasts, and I think it should be good enough for my little YouTube videos. And here we see people just crossing on the red light, because that's what you do here. Now, I did a small test and I've listened to the mic on my phone. I've did a previous short recording to see how it sounds. I've taken the scooter up to 90 kilometers an hour with the helmet visor closed, and on the phone I could hear myself very clearly. And now I haven't gone home to listen to the audio on a headset, on a proper headset, and see exactly how it sounds, but on my phone it sounded way better than before. Oh, bloody hell. And now he won't accelerate anymore. Come on. This is how you ride a scooter in Bucharest. Now, I am really curious to get home and see how the audio sounds on a headset. If you can hear wind, if you can hear the engine of the scooter, because I don't want you to just hear my voice. Again, wind test, we're doing 86, 90, 92, This should sound great actually. I'm hoping it does. At least I'm hoping, because I really don't want to return it, because I like this microphone. It's very small and it fits very, very well in my helmet, and in the position I have it, if it works properly, I'll be extremely happy, because I really didn't want to change my helmet, because I have a Scorpion Exo City helmet, which is a jet style helmet, an open face helmet, and I really love this helmet because for me, motorcycling is being out in the elements, being, I don't know, free. I don't know how I want to call it. But if you have a closed helmet, your view is restricted and you feel like you're encaged somehow. I want to feel like I'm free, like I'm out in the open air. And this is why I love my jet helmet. It just gives that feeling of openness, of being in contact with your surroundings. A sensation that you simply don't get, not even in flip-up helmets, not normal helmets. Definitely full face helmets, definitely you don't get this. So I'm really hoping this works out really, really well. So I really hope this works out properly, and I don't have to change this setup. This is the first test I did with it. This is the first test. Only when I get home will I see how it sounds. But what am I running? In case you can see, I am running the GoPro Hero 7 Black with a microphone input adapter, an original GoPro adapter, not Chinese ones, and a Rode SmartLav Plus lavalier microphone. The mic plugs into the adapter plugs straight into the camera, and every time I hit record, the camera should be taking audio only from the microphone inside the helmet and not from its microphone array. Oh yeah, and everything is stuck on a Scorpion Exo City helmet. It's a cheap helmet, it's comfortable. It's not really all that quiet because it's supposed to be a city helmet, but that's alright. That's the beauty of it. It's not quiet. Oh, bloody hell. That's the beauty of it. It's not quiet. And when I'm doing 90 or 100 kilometers an hour, when I'm outside the city and just cruising at 90, you do feel the speed, and that's nice. It gives you the thrill of motorcycling at a lower speed. And that's what I want. I don't want to go 200 kilometers an hour. No, I just want to have the fun and the thrill of motorcycle riding at some normal human speeds. Now, I don't know if I'm really gonna post this video. I have to get home and see exactly how it sounds. But if it sounds good enough, I'm gonna put it on YouTube and ask you guys, the people following me, the small number, because we're almost at 500 subscribers, and honestly I'm amazed at this. I started this channel just for fun, just because I have access to a couple of motorcycles and a couple of scooters, and I said, you know what, it would be fun to let people in on some information about them. And also I wanted to document my two-wheel journey, because I haven't been motorcycling for a lot. Actually, my motorcycle license, my full motorcycle license, I've had it for about 1 year and 1 month, something like that. 1 year or 2 months, almost a bit over a year. Just a bit over a year, just a bit over a year. And I'm really shocked at the response I've gotten. I've got an extremely positive response from you guys, the people watching me, and I'm really grateful and happy for this. And I really want to make my videos better, look better, sound better, everything, make them a lot better. So please drop a comment down below and tell me, does this sound good enough for you? Do you like the way it sounds? And with the visor open, do you like how it sounds? Do you like how the audio will be from now on. And I'm not gonna use this lavalier microphone just in my helmet. When I'm gonna do presentations of scooters, I'm gonna have it on my chest so you can get great audio while I present to you different scooters or motorcycles. So that has been kind of it. Please drop a comment below. Tell me, does it sound good? Do you like how it sounds? Do you have any suggestions for me on how I could get even better audio? I'm sure to go through every single comment and read them. And as much as I can, I will reply to... up until now, I've been replying to absolutely everyone. So thank you so very much for watching, for liking the videos, and I hope you join me on this journey from now on. Now, where am I supposed to go? So thank you so very much for watching, for liking the videos, for subscribing, especially the people who have subscribed. Thank you so very much for your support. I will continue making videos and I hope you will continue watching them. So until next time, take care out there and ride safe. Goodbye.